Karat laban dorbar pelun haka pratrik nailar, kala penpau ka jingkershan ka bapura ya ka project shlong roadway, da ka bakin turu ya ka sorkar jela, pakan penstat ya ka project, kenang ban kintiu ya ki kam juak kai haka than. Hadian ka jingjurip lang ya ka ni ka project ya ki officer ka tana tourism forest PHE, pat ka shlong municipal bond, president karat laban dorbar pelun uba Yostosan Sun. Ula ong baka dorbar kam dan kanu kanu kajing persya ya kan ka project ka bahap papo kajing kmi ka jongka namar kan ajing mentoy shibun ning bagi kam jongok kai. Haka baya day berkani ka project bala terwa da katana tourism jongka sorkar Meghalaya na kalyang jongi karai laban dorbar pelun ki badai ki try bat kinong kmi ya shlong viewpoint ni ai ka jingkarshan ka bapura ya kan ka project ong uba sun. Ula ong ru bakador bar keladap penyekrennya selok hakabaya day berkini ke project roadway berkatana tourism na du kini ke senam baladap berka kami lentiru bakani ke project kan kering shibu ni kinong wan shangkai bat ajing metoy kinong shong shnong jong kathan bon na kinong wan shangkai kin wan lingba ke roadway project lingba ka jingwan jong kani ke project ngis ngokman shibun namar kinong wan shangkai kin let da ke roadway shlong viewpoint ula ong. President kedor bar pelun ubu ru ka jingkarpat ya ka sorkar bahkan penstat no ya ka ni project ka bakilas dang banyak keren ningkong dadu kini ke south nam baladam.
Actually, this is a project proposed by the tourism department, government of India. We as a Laban Rapulan, we are there. We are looking after the Shillong Viewpoint. So this project is the project of the government. From our side, we don't have any objection because we are looking only at the Shillong Viewpoint only. So regarding this project that Khalid Mufti here, this is between the government, tourism department and the forest department, which is a roadway project of the tourism department. This project is for tourism department. We have already discussed with the tourism department because we have a viewpoint there. The tourists most of the tourists will come through the roadway project, through this roadway. But presently, the tourists are coming through the Air Force road, that one, to the gate of the Air Force. Their Air Force road is very strict, that you will not be able to enter inside without giving the name, address, everything. So with the coming of this project, they will be very happy. Most of the tourists actually will take that and will go to Shillong Viewpoint, visit Shillong Viewpoint through the roadway. That's we agree because now only 4 years we have already started to discuss this thing. So we like to request the government to speed up this project, or the tourists will be happy.